Hey guys, this is Andrew with Able Roofing. I'm the Director of Storm Restoration, and I'm here with one of my customers out in Granville. We went through the entire insurance process with us, and we were fortunate enough for him to trust us in that process, and now we're putting a roof on for him. How long have you lived in the Granville area?
A little less than 2 years.
When we first contacted you about your roof, you did say you had some hesitations, and I understand that being in roofing. If you wouldn't mind, would you please share some of your ideas or some of your, notions with roofing companies and contractors?
Yeah, so as soon as we moved in, that first summer, we probably had, 3 or 4 companies come by.
Wow.
Some, more professional than others. So I was pretty much right off the bat skeptical and was doing some Googling, right? Is this true?
Yeah.
Does my roof really need to be replaced?
Sure. Are they actually damaged, or these guys just...
Right, exactly.
Yeah.
Yeah. Are my shingles truly damaged? A little over a year into living here, I got a letter on the front door from you. It was handwritten with another house in the neighborhood that
we were actually working on.
Exactly,
Yeah.
you were actually working
Actually
on.
doing
Right, it
work
wasn't
in the
just
neighborhood.
a cold call. And so I decided to give you a call back first after probably 6 or 8 different companies had stopped by.
Yeah.
You were
okay.
the first one to have a handwritten note and I think a picture, because I was also skeptical. Will my insurance cover a random storm on a random date that I wasn't sure?
Right. We want to make sure that, if we're telling you to file a claim, we're going to get the thing approved, and we know going into the claim what it's going to be. So we appreciate that.
Yeah,
Yeah.
absolutely. Yeah.
With all these contractors knocking on your door, obviously everybody wanted your business. What things did Able do that actually made you feel comfortable filing a claim with your insurance company?
There was a huge report that was provided to me. I don't know, it was 20, 30 pages. There's a lot of pictures, a lot of evidence, chalk marks on the roof of, specific damage spots, and then the full price breakdown, right? That's what you'd call it.
Yep.
Yeah, made it pretty simple, as easy as I could have, hoped for. Again, I was very hesitant to have to go through the whole process of dealing with insurance, stories that I've heard.
Yeah.
So, yeah.
Yeah, with Able, we try to provide a fully documented photo report, an estimate, and a summary of your loss to submit to your insurance company, because we want to make sure that we set the process with the insurance company right. What would you tell other homeowners that are hesitant to file insurance claims?
I would say getting a detailed report was super helpful, with pictures, proof that the company put in the work to earn the business, and again, doing the whole price breakdown, that whole loss packet, right? That's what it's called.
Yeah, the last thing we want is mutual mystification when we enter a claim with a customer. Obviously, we have to navigate how the carrier has set the policy, and that's not really what we're experts at. We're roofers, and our job is to detail the damage, provide an estimate to the customer of what it's going to cost to fix the work before we even file the claim. It's pretty impossible to actually claim anything if you're not actually identifying what the damage is, providing that damage to the insurance company, and then providing an estimate for what the damage is. We're not doing the work for what the insurance company is paying. We're telling you what the work is going to cost, and then we will file the claim with the insurance company. Would you recommend Able to other homeowners here in the Columbus area?
I would. Yeah, I think Able put in the work to prove that this was a legitimate, my roof legitimately needed to be replaced, and supported me throughout the process from an insurance standpoint. Andrew, you've been great as well to work with. Very responsive and helpful, and even picking out colors and whatnot, right? All those things. So yeah, I would recommend Able, and yeah, I would definitely recommend you. You've been very helpful.
Cool, thank you.